Hey there, fellow traders and financial adventurers. Welcome back to MCP Capital. I'm Livermore, and we're about to embark on an incredible tale of triumph, failure, and redemption in the trading universe. Today, we're shining a spotlight on the legendary Michael Marcus, a true trading maestro who danced with failure before tangoing with success. Listen up, because his trading journey is packed with lessons and secrets that every aspiring trader should know. Michael Marcus began his journey as a commodity research analyst. But deep down, he knew that his heart belonged to trading. With a burning passion for trading, he quit his comfy salary and took a leap of faith into the turbulent world of trading. Now, here comes the twist. His initial trades were like a comedy of errors, with one loss after another. But hey, great traders aren't born overnight, right? Michael didn't give up. Oh no, he dusted himself off and finally embarked on a new adventure with Commodities Corporation, a place where the big guns traded the company's own funds. And listen to this, over a decade he was racking up astonishing annual returns of at least 100%, year after year after year. Now that's what I call hitting the jackpot in the trading universe. So remember this, fellow traders, failure may knock on your door in the beginning, but early trading failure is a sign that you are doing something wrong, and that success can be right around the corner. Hello, Michael. So tell me, how did you get started in trading?
It was quite an adventure. I started off as a scholar ready to conquer the world of academia, but fate had other plans. I took a plunge into trading, thinking it would be a cakewalk since I had always excelled in my studies, but boy was I in for a surprise. My first 8 trades were nothing but a series of epic failures. So I cashed in my father's life insurance and thought, here we go again. But I knew I needed to learn the ropes before risking it all. I devoured books on trading and even subscribed to a market letter for guidance. And guess what? My first win was electrifying. I felt like a trading rock star. I was making winning trades left and right. I had accumulated $30,000, and I thought it was the best thing in the world. Then came that spring of '71. There was a theory around that the blight had survived the winter and was going to attack the corn crop, so I borrowed $20,000 from my mother, added it to my $30,000, and went all in on the blight. But oh boy, the market had other plans. Then, there was an article in the Wall Street Journal with the headline, "More blight on the floor of the Chicago Board of Trade than in Midwest cornfields." That Wall Street Journal headline was a punch in the gut. It was a lesson learned the hard way. I had to liquidate everything and lost $42,000 of the $50,000 account. But you know what they say, you live, you learn. After that, I met the trading genius Ed Sikota. He taught me how to cut my losses, as well as the importance of riding the trend until it changes. I learned patience from him in the way he followed the trend. But even with his guidance, I still stumbled a few times, but my stubborn confidence kept me going. I restarted again with $700 and turned it into $24,000, and that was just the beginning. In 1973, the commodities market went crazy, and I rode those trends like a pro. My account swelled to $64,000. It was one wild ride, my friend.
With your vast trading experience, is there any trade that stands out as the most memorable?
Oh, you bet! Picture this, the great soybean bull market, soaring from $3.25 to nearly $12. I was riding the wave of success, making some sweet gains. But then came the day I made a colossal mistake. I let my impulsive side take over, and like a bull in a china shop, I cashed out all my profits and got out of every trade. Can you believe it? I was trying to get all fancy, instead of staying true to the trend. Meanwhile, my mentor Ed Sikota stuck to his guns, riding the trend without a care in the world. It was agony, my friend. For 12 consecutive days, soybeans shot up to the limit while I was on the sidelines, fuming with regret. Ed was in the game, and I was just a spectator. It was as if I was watching my dream car speeding away while I was stranded with a flat tire. That moment became the lowest point in my trading career. I realized that missing out on a runaway market could be just as frustrating as a losing trade.
So, what was the key lesson you learned from that experience?
Oh, a lesson etched into my trading soul. I discovered that hanging on to winners is just as vital as cutting losses. If you don't stay with your winners, you won't have enough to cover the losers. Taking advantage of those major winning trades isn't just good for your mental health as a trader, but it's also the key to ultimate success.
You've reached incredible heights of success. Tell me, what's your secret sauce?
Ah, my friend, the secret recipe is all about balance and restraint. Picture this. It's like cooking up the perfect dish of trading success.
I'm all ears. So what's the first ingredient in your trading recipe?
The fundamentals, my friend. You've got to dig deep and find that sweet imbalance of supply and demand. That's the spark that could ignite a major market move.
Makes sense. What's next on the menu?
Now brace yourself for the charts, the technicals. They're like the seasoning that complements the fundamentals. The market must dance in the direction suggested by those juicy fundamentals.
Got it. So, what's the final touch to this tasty recipe?
Ah, the market tone, my friend. It's like the icing on the cake. When the news hits the scene, the market should respond with the right psychological vibe. Bulls should roar at good news, and bears should yawn at the bad. When good news strikes, the market should be roaring with excitement, charging forward with vigor like there's no tomorrow. But my friend, here's the kicker. If even the most wonderful news fails to lift the market, it's time to take a confident stance and go short. So the secret lies in the art of patience. Restricting your trades to those golden opportunities is the key. You see, there will always be those special trades that tick all the boxes, but they might be fewer. It's like savoring a delicious dish, rather than just gobbling down anything that comes your way. Making a boatload of trades when conditions are just marginally favorable is like going for the appetizers when the main course is still cooking. It might be entertaining, but it won't lead to true trading success. So my friend, remember this secret sauce. Balance your fundamentals, spice it up with technicals, and savor the right market tone. Be patient, and you'll savor success in any market, no matter the circumstances.
Michael, my trading sage, what's the most vital advice for those just starting or struggling in this trading jungle?
Let me share a golden nugget of wisdom. Learn to spot intraday chart points, like the early daily highs. They're like secret passages in the market maze. At these key points, you can take big positions, but be ready to hop off if things don't align perfectly. It's like being a surfer, catching that perfect wave.
Catching waves in the market, I like that analogy. So how do you manage the risks?
Ah, my friend, that's where the magic happens. Never bet more than 5% of your account on any single idea. It's like building a strong fortress. Even if the market tests you 20 times, it'll take ages to bring you down. And always use those stops, not just as words, but as a commitment to exit at a certain point. Entering any trade should always be accompanied by an exit point. And here's another secret. If something doesn't feel right, no shame in changing your mind. Get out, sleep on it, and let clarity greet you the next day. In addition to that, learn how to deal with volatility. Watch out for those limit days. When a market goes limit up for days on end, your caution alarms start ringing. 4th limit up day, you should already inching towards the exit. 5th limit up day, you out of there. No room for insanity. Always ask yourself who is left to buy. And remember, always stay open-minded and accept harsh truths. If a position turns sour, no false hopes. Hope for fortune. If it ain't working, you are out.
How do you recognize when it's time to reevaluate your strategy?
If the equity trend is down or losses are outpacing profits, it's time to cut back and reassess, like recalibrating our compass to stay on course.
My last question is, what's the essence of successful trading?
Courage, my friend. The courage to try, to fail, to succeed, and to march on in tough times, like facing the storm and finding serenity within. Livermore, you've been a fabulous trading companion. But I've just spotted a rare market opportunity that I simply can't resist. Duty calls, my friend. Happy trading, and may the market winds be ever in your favor.
My fellow aspiring traders, if you're hungry for trading knowledge and success, let me lead you to the treasure of market wisdom. In the video description below, you'll find links to the books that can light up your trading journey like never before. So dive into the video description, my friends. Feast on the knowledge within, and you'll set sail on a path of trading success and endless possibilities. Happy reading, and may your trading adventures be fruitful and fulfilling. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You won't want to miss a single moment of our trading tales and financial escapades.
Imagine having a similar video that showcases your products, services, or brand in a visually captivating way. With our video editing expertise, we can create a unique and tailored video that will make your business stand out from the competition. Our clients have seen remarkable results, with increased website traffic, higher conversion rates, and a significant boost in their online presence. Click in the link on the video description if you want to level up your business with our video editing service.